Hello friends, today we are discussing about the old card visual and new word card visual in Power BI. So here I am getting data from get data from Excel workbook. So I have a saved workbook in my desktop. Go to sales data. So Power Query can load this data. Like here there are sheet is displayed. So I am selecting sheet 1. So I can transform data. Okay, close and apply. See here the sheet is loading. We can apply changes. Okay. On right hand side, see here sheet 1 is there. What are the fields? Is there quantity, sales and specialty. In the old visual design was static and limited in flexibility, but it lacks customization and interactivity. But whereas in new card visual introduced much more dynamic experience. It allows multiple data points in one card, conditional formatting and rich text option. You can customize fonts, backgrounds, and icons to match branding or draw attention to key metrics. It's more engaging, cleaner, and easier to adapt to different report heads. In short, new visual turns a basic data display into powerful interactive storytelling tool. See here I am showing old card visual. So I am dragging just only one field only. It is not allowing two fields. See, I am just dragging sales here. Here it is showing 600. So I am trying to add another more field in this old card visual. So it is not allowing. See, here it is showing only quantity. So whereas in new card visual, here it is there, new card visual. I am dragging sales and also quantity I will drag. So here see, sales and quantity is coming. So in Power BI, new card visual is a more interactive feature. Thank you friends. We will come up with another video. Please subscribe channel.